Hello ladies in Lip Lady Canada. It's Nancy here and it is Monday, I think it's June 17th. I am here to show you this new kit that we've just come out with SeneGence, because I know there are several of you in this group that are actually wholesale customers already, or those of you who want to sign up to be wholesale customers. So this is, I'm going to stand back a little bit, pardon the mess in my kitchen. This is our largest new kit, and it is the one now that I am going to recommend to anybody who is interested in the least bit in a business opportunity, especially if you're a makeup artist. I want to show you something in this kit, and I'm not going to go through the whole thing because I did in fact already do one taking it out of the box, but this is because people kept saying, I wish I had seen something a little better when you were taking it out. I couldn't see things. So this is to see things. In this kit, we call this one our Fast Start Kit. Okay, so when you purchase this kit, basically when you purchase what they call 1000 PV, normally, they're going to give you the 1000 PV in product, plus they're going to give you a free Glamour Demo Kit, so you can sell these products in here to people. They're also going to give you a free website for a year. They're going to give you a free planner, which is right here. And they're going to give you also, because you ordered a free 1000 PV, they're going to give you an entire free skincare and body collection. So what does this look like out of the box? Okay, here's what we have. This is my free stuff, just for ordering. This is for me to use, or I could sell it if I wanted, but this product up here is all free. So what we have here is a complete skincare kit, which is our 3-in-1 cleanser and our daytime moisturizer, our night cream, and an eye cream. And guess what? You can even choose it for your skin type. How cool is that? So it's not a set one. You can choose if you're oily, normal, dry. You can order the one that you want. And it also includes the shower gel for your body wash, your body scrub, your advanced hydration body lotion, your hand cream, and our detox mask. I love this mask for my face. Megan loves the body wash. Jerry loves the body lotion. Megan loves the scrub, and I carry this hand cream around with me all the time. It's an amazing hand cream. When you wash your hands, it reactivates. It's phenomenal. So you get this stuff absolutely free. Oh yeah, and including a little body loofah. Okay? So that's free. Now, they also give you, this is the product you have. So let me start with what you actually get. You're going to get 2 skincare kits. You can choose which 2 you like, but just like up here, the free one, you're going to get another full kit with eye cream, facial moisturizer, night cream, etc. So there's the first kit you can sell, and the second kit you can sell. You're going to get this day planner. So let me show you this really cool product. This has all kinds of great stickers, talks about our mission statement, which is right here. We empower women around the world to live life in love and abundance through careers that really work, selling innovative beauty products that really work. And I love this. This is Joni's quote. Choose to live life in abundance and then work for it. Nothing comes for free, ladies. So when you think of MLMs and network marketing, this company, we are being very successful. And yes, my team has grown, and I have fabulous, fabulous, fabulous ladies that work with me. I can't tell you, I can't thank you all enough. I don't want to say one name because then I'm going to miss somebody. But this, you know, this thing here, it talks about your why you do everything in your life, your SeneGence choice, whether you want to be a customer or an independent distributor. So it tells you how to host glamour demos and all this sort of thing, which, by the way, I'm looking to host or to be invited to your home for you to host a glamour demo, and I have great incentives. So it talks about setting goals and then your calendars, what's happening in the year, and then of course it goes right into your normal day timer. So I'm really excited about this product. So again, you can buy this as a distributor, but when you buy this kit, it actually is included. Let me get it. Free of charge. So now, what do we get for product other than skincare? Okay, look at this. Full-size foundations. These are not testers. These are for sale. Here's a face powder. Our powders have a brush included in them. We have advanced anti-aging as well as our regular foundations in a multitude of colors here. We have our tinted moisturizers, which are phenomenal. We have the silk, which is our primer before you put your makeup on. We have our special collagen night pack, which has marine collagen, and you brush it on. We have our Serum C, which is stabilized vitamin C to help protect your skin from free radical damage. We also have my favorite product, Nange oil. And then the facial resurfacer, which is like a home microdermabrasion. It's amazing. Color removing wipes with our Foops, because our cosmetics, just like our LipSense, our cosmetics last all day long. Perfect for brides, theater, you name it. All of this. Come by, pick out your color. I have stock. There's the wipes to remove it. This is our brand new product. Let's see where the front of it is. Here it is. See if you can see it. This is our hydrating mist. You can't see through it. Maybe if I put my hand behind it, you might be able to see better. There you go. SeneGence Hydrating Facial Serum Mist. Facial. Gee, I think I have, I'm not sure if this is French or Spanish. I might have an American bottle. We have our lip polish that's new. Okay, and that's a scrub that you use. I used to use our regular scrub. Now, we have full-size products of these colors in LipSense to sell. So take a look at them. I'm going to hold this phone here, or my phone for a second, so you can see the actual colors that come in this collection. And to see the glosses that come. So this is for you to sell to people. You don't need to keep all this stuff. You sell it and make it back, because guess what? You have about $4,000 worth of products here, and it only cost you, I think, $12.75, okay? So now we're going to go into what's called the Glamour Demo Kit. So up here when I said you got this product for free, here's actually what's in the product for 30 days. And if you're starting this as a new business, this isn't the end of it. This is just the first $400 worth of product you free. If you do the same business in your second month, you have $400 more of our anti-aging products. So this is a phenomenal opportunity for new distributors to sign up, because you can get this fast start, and then you can continue on with our 30 days and our 60 days and 90 days, and you can have over $1,200 in free products for yourself. But let's look at what I'm really excited about is this Glamour Demo Kit. We didn't have one of these. They used to have them, and then they went out of stock. So this is a kit. I'm going to show you the products in it, and then I can close it up to show you after. But these products, I've even done them so that people can actually see which colors. Let me see if I can hold this steady for you. So these are tester size of our LipSense. Okay, so these ones come in the kit so that you can actually turn around and sell the ones you get. So these are all LipSense and gloss that come in there, and remover. Then we have our foundations. We have both Make Sense and Anti-Aging. So these are the colors that come in here. Sorry, I'm getting a little bit of a shadow from the side of the box. But you can look at all of the colors that are coming in, and I love these tubes. They're phenomenal. They like our shadow sense, but you can test your colors. For a makeup artist, this kit is phenomenal. Now you can buy this on your own. Hang on, I just got to bend down for a second. Oh, I might have to move my phone. Just a sec. I got to pick up my, there we go. Sorry about that. That belongs over here. So if you're a makeup artist, this kit is phenomenal because you have all these lip colors to choose from. You've got your gloss to seal it. You've got all these foundations to use. It comes with beauty books. And then it comes with our black mascara with our famous Undersense, which nourishes and thickens your lashes while you're putting your mascara on. Let me just show that to you. See this Undersense? To me, I say it kind of creates like a drywall dust, but it really isn't. It's our volcanic ash from Vanuatu. And when you put this on your eyelash, you put it on and then you immediately follow it with the mascara. And it makes them thicker, but it also nourishes them at the same time. And you can do multiple coats and they'll get longer and longer. And then we have our, see these? In here there's going to be a little tiny, this is our eyebrow. And so we have dark and light. Then we have some of the liquid liners, Starry Sky Black Brown. Then we have our lip liners, which I really haven't been promoted, but I'm going to start. 3 blush scents right here. I think it's cherry, terracotta. No, terracotta, or is it, let me look and see. Oh no, toasted rose. Yay, that's the one I actually use when I don't use mulberry. So, of course, they'll go fall. And then bronze. And then over here they have the shadow scent sample. Actually, these are full size. So we have Sandstone Pearl, Garnet, my favorite, Mulberry, I use as blush, Mocha Java Shimmer, Smoked Topaz, Candlelight, and we have our concealers as well as our white concealer there, and they're so good, they even cover tattoos. So, also in here is a full size of our makeup remover. It's our Foops. Check this out. You shake it up to activate it before you use it to remove your makeup. So we have the Foops in a bottle, or over here the new Foops wipes. And then, so what I'm going to do now, just to show you, is, and I haven't done this, so hopefully this all works well. I'm going to put these in a way that I can close the kit for you. So let's just, I mean, all of this comes in this little kit. It's called the Glamour Demo Kit. And I'm really excited because I carry so much stuff around with me when I go that this is going to make my life so much easier when I'm out doing demos. So you just put them in here like this. I'm just turning them all because I wanted you to see them. Hey, Amy. See, I'm going to just turn them. Turn these ones this way. I love these little samples. I've been buying these on their own. That's another great benefit of being a wholesale customer, is you can buy these trial sizes, whereas a retail customer cannot. And these are great. Let's see if I can get that all sitting there. Great for transport. Okay, so watch this. I think I've got everything down in a flat way. This is so cool. So watch what's going to happen. There's more to this kit yet, but I want to close this to show you. So these come in, and this comes in, and you put your cover over, and you zip it. Zip it good. And you zip it, and look, check it out. It reminds me of what song was that? Check it out. I think that was like some family show. So on the top, there's this thing. Let's see if I can manage this one-handed. Sure can. So look at that Glamour Demo Kit. Seriously. And when you buy it in this 1000 PV Fast Start Kit, you're getting it for free. That's just totally mind-blowing. Now, here's what else we get in here. Because this kit is intended for people who want to sell, like makeup artists or people who are doing demos, it also includes our SeneGence book, which teaches application. And I use this book in particular. My favorite part, and I mentioned yesterday, was that it has, let me see if I can get to our lips. Lip recipes. I use my older versions with my lip recipes all the time so that people can make custom colors. And it has the new Acclaim magazine, and it's got a Glamour demo guide, and it comes with tester strip for your testers, some order forms, and there's a strap, and some information about sharing the business opportunity. And all of this, people, everything you just saw there now is only 1000 PV force in our back office, which I think is $12.50, like maybe $12.25 or something. But we have over $4,000 here in this kit. So if anybody's interested, of course you can always buy this on its own instead of getting it free, but I think it's like $3.75 on its own. So let me know if you're interested, and thanks for watching. Oh my goodness, I forgot. This stuff also comes in the Glamour Demo Kit. Like there wasn't enough already. I think these are, so these are for your lip liner and your eyeliners, little tools. And then we got some little cotton pads. I love these. I let people use these all the time when I give them their glossy gloss sample. We have climate control samples. Then I always use disposable wands when I'm testing for people. And here's some cosmetic wedges. But this is the cutest thing. I already have my mirrors, but watch this. How sweet is that? I'm going to buy a whole bunch of those. This one came here, but that is like, instead of having the big mirrors, you have them like that. And then they fold up so easy. Unlike my great big giant ones. That would be fine for home parties, but from now on I'm carrying these ones to shows. So I hope you enjoyed my little video demo of what comes in our Fast Start Kit. And if anybody's interested, we are doing a huge 2-day event downtown Toronto at the Hyatt Regency for all distributors and new distributors who it's going to be a marketing and social media business training. If you're interested in joining us, please let me know and I will give you details. Have an amazing day.